Yo, what's going on, guys? Bitcoin might be getting some kind of breakout here. Sorry I'm a little late. I had to get my tea ready. You guys know I can't go without my tea, right? My great tea. I couldn't go without it, man. I was running a little late and I was like, all right, here's the deal. I could be like 2 or 3 minutes late. Everyone's going to call me Latte Boy, and I'm going to get upset. Or I can go without no tea. I decided it probably better if I went with option number 1 and I had my tea for the stream. All right, so I apologize, but I am here. 38,874. Bitcoin might be breaking out of a little 15-minute pattern. Now, it's nothing crazy, right? We're talking about a 15-minute pattern, but we may be breaking to the upside. And this could, right? I mean, hopefully we get some action on stream today. Hopefully, right? The volume's still kind of low on this. I'm looking to see a little bit more volume coming here, but so far, so good, man. So far, so good.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
So far. So 38,871. Let's see. We're getting a little move to the upside. Guys, what's important right now for Bitcoin, all right? What's really, really important for Bitcoin, in my opinion, is getting back over this getting a 4-hour close above, right? We're talking about the 104-hour EMA. This is a level we've been talking about consistently, right? This 104-hour EMA. We have gotten wicks over this, right? Consistently. Look how many wicks we got over this. We got 1 wick, 2 wicks, 3 wicks. We are finally getting that move back over that level, right? Finally getting that move up back over that level. If we can get that close in the next 25 minutes above that level, well,
we're going to 100K tomorrow.
I'm just kidding, man. We're not going to 100K tomorrow, but this is a good first step and hopefully can break us back over this big red box of resistance, which really is keeping us down at the moment. Guys, if you are enjoying the stream every single day, make sure you smack up that like button and make sure you guys also subscribe if you guys are new while we watch Bitcoin's price action here. And hopefully, I'm very optimistic, okay? I'm going to be a little bit more optimistic than I have been, okay? I've been a little bit of a negative Nancy, okay? I've been a little bit of a negative Nancy. I know. You guys can call me Karen. You guys can call me Jordan Camirand. I've seen some of you guys call me Jordan Camirand. Listen, man. Listen. Why is this not working? Hold on. Come on, man. No, we don't need Karen. Why is Karen popping up? Some of you guys call me Jordan Camirand, okay? Consistently. Jordan's such a bear now. He's a bear every single day. He's so negative. He gives us all those negative vibes. We don't need that. We want to watch George. We want to watch Bitboy. They're positive right now. And Jordan's negative. Right? Listen, man. I understand, right? And I'm going to be a little bit more positive because, listen, I do believe that we are, and I've said this consistently, guys, I do believe that we are getting close to a short-term bottom, or I say a longer-term bottom, okay? Shorter term, we might not be there just yet, but I do think we're getting close to a longer-term bottom for multiple different reasons that we've talked about consistently every single day. Jordan Camirand, yes. So many people call me Jordan Camirand. Jordan Karen, yeah. All right, 38,890. What you guys saying here? Actually, I need to plug this in real quick, guys. Hold up. I need to plug this in. There we go. That might get kind of wild here, so I apologize if it gets wild. My laptop's doing all types of things here. So 38,880. So let's go back to the 4-hour real quick. What we're watching here for is a clean close. We actually got the close in 21 minutes and 41 seconds. You guys can see that in the top right of the screen. That's when we were getting the daily close. That's when we're getting the 4-hour close. That's when we're getting the hourly close. That's when we're getting every single type of close. All right. So looking for a close above this. If we can get a close above this EMA, then it's just breaking back above this total. I mean, just the red box in total, right? And everyone's going to call this an ascending triangle. I think it's a little bit iffy, right? I mean, you're talking about having a slight fake out to the downside down here, and then obviously getting back up into it, right? It's a little bit iffy. in my opinion, calling this an ascending triangle. But I think for taking it for what it is, getting consistent higher lows and horizontal resistance, you do have to look at this as in my opinion, a bullish consolidation until proven otherwise. Now, I'm going to continue to say until we break back above this particular level right here, which we're struggling with. I said this yesterday, guys. This is going to be the level to watch. It's going to be this level right here because we got rejected on this up here and we got rejected on this up here twice. And that was sort of where we could not pass. Will it happen again? We get rejected at this level again and get a continuation move to the downside. That's going to be the question here, right? That's going to be the ultimate question. It's going to be a big close, right? I know we say every day is a big close, but this one I think could be maybe a short-term swing here, right? I know that might be some hopium, right? We might be some hopium that just because we close above this, it might be some short-term hopium. I don't think it is, right? I don't think it is. I think this could be a little bit of a short-term win, all right? A short-term win. So, know what we need to do, guys. You know what we need to do here. I need everyone to get the swords and get their shields. Vikings, assemble. Assemble all my Vikings. Where are you? This is a huge 4-hour war. We must win this battle. The bears have been pushing us back, consistently pushing us back. We must take the land again that is rightfully ours. We've been having a good fight for the past week. We must continue this fight to the upside. I need to see everyone, all the bulls in the chat right now with the swords and shields. If I don't see you in there, you are a sworn enemy and I will cut off your balls. I will cut off all the traitors' balls. Okay? I will. I will find you. So let's fight for the next 20 minutes. We got this. Let's fight. No, in all seriousness, let's fight and push them back. All right. So if you're a big whale out there, I need you to push these bulls, push these bears back into their land. Okay. We need everyone's help. We need everyone's help today. It's too early for the moon helmet. I accidentally put on the moon helmet. Vikings use round shields. Do they really? I didn't know that. Like, listen, I played a lot of games like, I played Age of Empires. Oh, no. Come on, you Shibas. All the Shibas are back, man. Come on, dude. We're not doing another day of this, please. Please, not another day of this. Please. Please. Going back to the daily chart. There's two things I want to touch on the daily chart. We're going to look at Bitcoin and the total market cap. Guys, total market cap is so indicative on what should be expecting for crypto. I don't see anyone else talking about total market cap right now. Okay? There could be someone out there. Maybe it's just someone I'm not watching. So if I'm wrong about that, let me know. But total market cap is huge. We're going to take a look at it in a second. But Bitcoin is slowly but surely, right? We know we're at a short-term resistance at the moment. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a backtrack there. We're at a short-term resistance right now. There's any way Bitcoin can break the short-term resistance. We know on the daily, we're coming up to our next swing low, right? And that's kind of the level that I've been saying that I'm not getting out of bed, at least for the short term, until Bitcoin can get above, I would say, to be a little bit more conservative, about the $41,000 level, okay? The $41,000 level. And even then, like, I'm still going to be sleeping, right? All in all, I'm still going to be sleeping, man. Right? I'm still going to be sleeping even if we break that. But that's sort of a short term. And that's also where our 500-day moving average, exponential moving average also sits, that we got two bounces from in the summertime, and also a temporary bounce right here as well. So that's a very important moving average. Is that going to act as resistance if we can even make it up to that level, right? We haven't even made it up to that level. So who's to say that we will even test it? Right? But that could be another resistance point that we see here from Bitcoin. Now, we know on the daily what's getting everyone excited, including me, right? I will say that this is actually getting me excited. I'm actually turning into Jimmy. Guys, I cannot find Jimmy. So I need anyone that could help me right now. If anyone has the Snapchat app, filter app, okay, on their computer. I doubt anyone has it, right? Why would you have that? Why would you just be like, yeah, I'm going to download the Snapchat filter app today? If you have it on your computer, I need help to find Jimmy, okay? His code was like squiggly or something like that, but I can't find him. It's ridiculous. I can't find him right now. I need your guys' help to find squiggly. It's like squiggly or something like that. But anyways, what everyone's excited about is we did break this daily downtrend of the RSI resistance, okay? The daily downtrend RSI resistance. We did get back above it. So massive, massive move above that. Now we're going to hope that the price follows it, right? We know in the summertime that move, right here, this also in the summertime, we had this downtrend in the daily RSI resistance, and that smacked up to the upside, right? That smacked up to the upside, and the price also followed it after we got that move, right? We can see right here that as soon as we broke back above that, right, just to say again, right here, as soon as we broke back above it right there on the RSI, that was the point where the price really started to move. And we can look at the same thing over here is when we broke back above it right here, that's also when the price really started to move. Okay, so I'm not going to say it's gonna play out the same way, but we know that we just broke this a couple days ago, and ever since then, I mean, I will say that the price has been generally moving up, but nothing crazy, right? The price hasn't been moving up like crazy that we want to see. We want to see a little bit more momentum here, and hopefully the price can also break out of this downtrend of resistance. But so far, it has not done that. Okay, now we're gonna go to the total market cap real quick. And this is where it gets a little juicy, okay? This is where it gets a little juicy because I will say, right? I will say that this is maybe looking like something that's happened consistently on our way down here, right? Ever since we topped out in November, we've done the same consistent thing. Guys, Jordan's about to be bearish. Get ready. Jordan's about to be bearish right now. This is his bearish segment. I set this up for him. I showed this to him, right? Don't you guys happy that I have all my shoes, 2 Lambos, and an island now? Aren't you guys so jealous? All you moon boys who FOMO'd in at 69K? All you moon boys? No, but in all seriousness, guys, let Jordan speak, but he's about to be super bearish. Super bearish. No, but look, guys, look, listen, all right? Here's what we're looking at here on the daily, all right? Here's what we're looking at right now. Haven't heard Jordan this juicy for a long time. This juicy? I'm always juicy, man. I'm always juicy. What can I say? Make sure you guys keep hitting up that like button, by the way, guys. Keep smacking that like button like you never smacked it before, all right? You guys can see right here, every single time total market cap dumps, it always comes up to retest the underside of the previous support, all right? And listen, people want to get super cute with this stuff. Listen, look at the total market cap, right? So we had support right here, all right? What happened when total market cap dipped below that support? Well, we went to the next previous resistance, okay, confirm that as support, bounce back up, confirm the previous support as resistance, dumped again. All right, then what did we do? Came back up, back tested the previous support, dumped. Back tested previous support, dumped to the next level of support. What did we do then? Came back up, back tested previous support. What did we do? Dumped to the next level of support. What are we doing now? Coming back up, back testing previous support. Are we going to do the same thing and just a step down, right? We're just stepping down, like we're stepping down. Now, to be fair, these stairs look like Bob and Jabba could break these stairs pretty easily. They don't look like pretty strong stairs, but you guys can see that it's just a consistent doop, do-doop, 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 always back testing previous support and flipping it as resistance. So will we see the same thing again for total market cap? Or is this the reversal point? Is this going to be the time that we break the trend? That's going to be the question, okay? Or are we going to get rejected and just come back down to what would inevitably be our next support, which is back down there, which would probably equal Bitcoin going to 30K. Now, that's going to be the question, all right? If it's just a consistent stair step, it's really just a stair step. It's just that we do the same thing every time. Everyone gets super bullish. Woohoo! 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 And every time we do it, it's... Okay? And then we come back up. And what happens? What happens after that? What happens, guys? Can you hear it already? All right. So let's say we can flip the trend. Obviously, this correlates with Bitcoin having to move up. Let's see if we can break the trend. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick. So it looks like Bitcoin might have just came back down and back tested the previous resistance. Let's see if we can get a little more momentum, guys. We got 10 minutes until the close. This is going to be a big close. All right. I want to play the pump song. But we're not going to play the pump song until Bitcoin can get a 4-hour close above the 100 EMA. That's the level we're going to watch here. If we can get a close above the 100 EMA on the 4-hour, we are going to play the pump song, and we are going to dance like we never danced before. Okay, I'm telling you right now, we're going to dance like we never, ever danced before. All right, let me tell you. Let me freaking tell you. Man. Bitcoin is Bitcoin said. YouTubers know exactly nothing. You're right, man. You're right. You know what's funny? Bitcoin is Bitcoin. I always say that no one knows where Bitcoin's going to go, right? My channel is strictly for entertainment purposes only, okay? Take for what I say with a grain of salt. Take what anyone says with a grain of salt. Every YouTuber at one point was hyping up 100K. And at one point, every YouTuber was hyping up a bear market. Both sides have been wrong. No one really knows where Bitcoin's going to go. All right? Just putting that out there. Watch YouTube for entertainment purposes only, especially me, because I am a clown. I am the biggest clown on YouTube. Maybe not the biggest clown on YouTube. But I am the biggest clown in crypto, according to Savvy. Okay? So, obviously, take that for a grain of salt. Nobody knows anything. Exactly. Yeah, but 38,840. Let's see what's going down. ADA has fallen wedge on daily, and it's breaking out. We'll check out ADA. I mean, there is some altcoins moving up, guys. We're going to check out altcoins just in a second. We have a Beto who's talking about Shiba. We're not talking about Shiba today, but we'll definitely talk about a couple different things. Savvy has been right. Rodney, don't start with Savvy has been right, man. Don't get me started today. Don't make me rant, man. Don't make me rant. Please don't make me rant. Mladen said, yes, you are. That's why we like you. Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate you. I definitely appreciate you, man. I'm going to take off this clown mask now. As you guys got the point. Come on, BTC. 9 minutes until the close. We'll continue to check some other things. Just like I said, guys, on the weekly time frame, right? Listen, I'll continue to say if there's ever a time, man. Denise said, I'll take the star sound or even the mushroom sound from Mario. I got some new sounds. I'm trying to bring some new stuff on here. I'll have some new sounds. Tomorrow, I might be making a amendment to schedules, guys. And it's not actually me changing stuff. It's actually me possibly adding new stuff. But that I may be doing some different things, especially in the mornings. So I'll keep you guys updated. But there might be a little bit. Night streams will be the same time. Mornings probably do more consistently, and there could be a little bit different things coming. But I'll let you guys know. But there is different things coming. I'll have some time tomorrow to add some stuff. But I'll say, guys, on the weekly time frames, man, if there's any time for Bitcoin to move up, I would say that this time would make sense. I'll continue to say it, man. We got the Ichimoku cloud. We dip below it. Now we're back in. Can we get back above it? We have the Bollinger Bands. Bounce off the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. We have Stock RSI bottomed out. We have the MACD finally trying to move back over here. Now, is that guarantee we move up? Absolutely not. But if you look back in the summertime, when we did start to roll back over, back to positive, it was somewhat of a sign that we were pretty close to a bottom. Not going to say it's going to continue the trend, but a lot of different things in the weekly, to me at least, could be pointing to a long-term bottom being close. We still could go lower, guys. I'm going to say we still could go lower in short terms. I just don't see you know, the 20Ks coming. I personally don't see the 20Ks coming. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, it is what it is. I'll have dry powder on the sidelines to buy the dip, man. buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. But yeah, man, that's what I'll say. I don't see 20Ks coming. Okay, I don't see it. I just don't see it. I could see 29. I could see the previous low, right? I could see the summer low, but I just don't see lower than the previous summer low, in my personal opinion, right? Let's see. Everything is green except for sand and mana. I think it's because sand and mana had really good days yesterday, right? I think that's why. I really think that's why, guys. Let's see. Are you not scared of what Biden is going to do to crypto? Dude literally called it a national security threat. No one has any idea if it's going to be positive or negative. So, I mean, at this point, it's a speculation, right? There's no point in speculating on that. We don't know if that's going to be something positive out of that. We don't know if there's going to be something negative out of that. So, us just trying to sit here and speculate when no one really knows what's going to come out of that, right? As far as what this national, whatever they call it, the crypto national security threat. No one really knows what's going to come out of that. So, to me, there's no point in speculating on that until it actually happens, right? I mean, at the end of the day, it is what it is. Elliot said, are you going to buy Crow this time around? Listen, I owned Crow. I made profits off Crow. Now, did I sell it way before I should have? Yeah, I did. But am I upset? No, I still made money on Crow at the end of the day. Did I miss out on, you know, a 10x move? Absolutely. I absolutely missed out on a 10x move. Okay? Absolutely. Let's see. She's gonna dump. We got some nice moves for Ethereum. I will say ETH is looking pretty good. Now ETH is coming up to its daily EMA ribbon, guys. So just be careful with this. Okay? Just be careful with this. We are coming up to that daily EMA ribbon, but if ETH can break back above its previous swing low that it had in September, it's going to be looking a little bit better, right? We know ETH kind of had a pretty massive drop here, but it is making that ground up. Can we sort of continue that move? Now, what I will say is Ethereum is, at the moment, it's not confirmed yet until we stop this trend, right? The trend is still moving, but at least right now we are facing some sort of bearish divergence, right? Where we're getting significantly lower lows and higher lows. Lower highs and higher highs on the RSI, right? We're seeing consistent. Well, not consistent, but very, very exaggerated bearish divergence on ETH right now. So keep that in mind, right? I mean, that's obviously probably going to be a slight issue here in the short term. But the trend, it's not over, right? It's not confirmed until we stop this trend, right? If we start seeing some resistance, we start seeing some hesitation here, yes, that's probably going to play out and we're probably going to come back down. But until the trend is stopped, I don't necessarily see that happening just yet, okay? Every time you go live, Bitcoin, dump Bitcoin, just stop it. Stop doing that, bro. Dude, every time I come live, Bitcoin does nothing. It doesn't dump. Bitcoin, every time I come live, Bitcoin literally does nothing. And we know this. It doesn't dump, okay? It doesn't dump. It doesn't do anything. It's ridiculous, man. It's absolutely ridiculous. Let me unplug this real quick. There we go. But yeah, man, it's absolutely ridiculous. Every time we go live, Bitcoin does absolutely nothing. And hopefully we can turn the tide today, all right? Hopefully we can turn the tide today. There is some coins going up, though. Solana with a 10% day. I think we play the pump song for Solana. I think that's justified here. Hell yeah. But yeah, man, Solana had like a 10.5% day, which is pretty good. So that, I mean, it's the same thing with what we just saw with ETH, right? We're coming up to these daily EMAs. I mean, it's we actually got a perfect wick to the bottom, and we got a slight rejection. But let's see if we continue, right? Let's see if we continue. I mean, we got back over the 4 hour, and Solana was able to nicely break this short-term trend, right? The short-term trend did break. We were able to break back above those previous highs and actually back test and get a continuation. Now, will this move continue is the question. We take swing high to swing low. We are coming up on that 382 fib. So keep that in mind. 4 hours getting a little bit up there on the RSI. And we did have some bearish divergence on the hourly, but that might already played out. So what I'll say there is we're probably just waiting on Bitcoin now. I'm not going to go too zoomed in here, right? I'm not going to go too zoomed in. I don't like to go too zoomed in, but 4 hour is, could we see one more quick back test to this $104 level for continuation? We certainly could. Obviously, altcoins are going to generally, if Bitcoin can hold this range, I still expect altcoins to move up, right? I mean, if Bitcoin goes sideways, altcoins will continue up. If Bitcoin goes up, altcoins will continue up. If Bitcoin dumps, altcoins will come down. I mean, that's sort of the order of operations here. But yeah, I mean, Solana moving up very, very well, better than a lot of different things, which I will say. So go Solana, man, go Solana. If we can break this 382, we probably looking at a next move up to. Is there any confluence at this area? Yeah, there's a previous support at this area. Could be moving up to probably the 0.5 at 119.52, at least in the short term, right? I would say that's the next target. But watch the 110, well, around this 110 area. Watch for a close above there, man. At least short term. Litecoin. Here we go. Is Litecoin moving up today? Let's see what Litecoin's doing, man. Guys are saying Litecoin's moving up. You call this moving up? Come on, man. It looks like every other altcoin. Come on, man. We got the Litecoiners in the chat getting absolutely pumped over a small move. Look at Litecoin. Look at it go. Yeah. Woohoo! Finally. Litecoin's moving. Finally. It's finally outpacing Bitcoin. For once. It's on like a 3-day uptrend against Bitcoin. Woohoo! Woohoo! Look at it. It looks like every other altcoin. Yeah. Every altcoin's pumping. Go Litecoin. Woo! Come on, guys. Every alt is pumping right now. It's not just Litecoin. The Litecoiners are getting so pumped because it's going up. That's funny, man. It's going up a little bit. I mean, listen, man. It pumped up to the previous high. I mean, there's other altcoins that already broke their previous highs. Let's see if it can break this high wick. If it does, perfect. Then we can get kind of excited, right? But right now, For Litecoin, it's a huge move. It is. All right, I'll say I am happy for the Litecoiners. Okay, I'm slightly happy for the Litecoiners, but I don't want to see you guys going, woo! Woo! That's my favorite noise. I am happy for the Litecoiners, though. And I hope XRP does the same thing for the XRPers, right? I will say that. Well, let's see if we can break this previous high. I mean, until we do that, I mean, we're just still in a general consolidation pattern with seriously low volume, right? I mean, that's what Mike would say, man. I don't even know. I also lost Mike, guys, but I'll say it. There's no volume. There's no volume on Litecoin. There's absolutely no volume. Jerome said, please stop doing that. Jerome, I will not stop doing that, okay? And you will like it. You will like it, man. Wow, everyone's pretty negative today in the chat. Look at how negative everyone in the chat is today. Holy moly. Holy moly, everyone is negative today. Holy majoli. What's wrong with you guys today? What is wrong with you? Come on, BTC. Do something, man. Jordan of the Jungle. Let's see. There's no vol. That's your girlfriend's favorite, least favorite sound. Listen, man. I guarantee you, your girlfriend's least favorite sound is some sound you make. I guarantee you. You think her least favorite sound is something I'm saying? Okay? I guarantee you, her least favorite sound is something that you're saying. Something that you say, man. Jerome said this is actually me being positive. It is. You're usually pretty negative, man. I will say, usually pretty negative. Lindsay said, one day RSI broke out on Bitcoin. Can you check it out? Yeah, we checked that a little earlier. Lindsay. But if we look, yeah, we actually did break that RSI downtrend. So, multiple touches on this. Listen, we're waiting for the price to follow through. Okay? We are waiting for the price to follow through. But, the RSI downtrend broke. Now we're just waiting for the damn daily price action to break. I mean, that's really what it comes down to at this point, right? I mean, we're kind of just we're still stuck in a range. I know everyone's kind of getting pumped, but at the end of the day, I mean, we're still just stuck in our typical consolidation range. I mean, that's really, really it. That's really, really it. I'm positively negative. Facts, Majestic. Absolutely facts, man. Absolutely facts. Price following to the downside. Yeah, man. Listen, I'm not totally sold with this price action here. I mean, we've seen this before, but listen, I want to be optimistic that Bitcoin can pump up here, right? I want to be somewhat optimistic, and I guess I'll remain somewhat optimistic, right? But at the meantime, it is what it is. We're waiting for you to say something about sand and rune. What about sand, man? Why is everyone saying something with sand? Sand's pumped yesterday, and it dumped today, right? I mean, that's typically the name of the game, right? I mean, sand got a nice move up, okay? Sand got approximately a 7% move up, and then it retraced, right? I mean, that's what happens. As we know, nothing moves up in a straight line, and nothing moves down in a straight line, right? But at the moment, right? That's the name of the game, right? You had a big move down, you get a retrace. You have a big move up, you get a retrace down. I mean, nothing goes up or down in a straight line. And, you might call it Elliott waves. You might say Elliott waves. Right? You might give a shout out to my good fishing trip friend. Okay, me and Savvy went on a great fishing trip the other day. It was great, guys. We sat in a boat. Right? This was me and Savvy. You know what, Jordan? I respect your TA. I know you don't like Elliott waves, and I know you don't agree with the Amazon theory, but Jordan, I love you, man. I'm sorry for calling you a clown. I really am. I mean, I love you, man. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Savvy, it's okay. I love you too, man. Listen, I love fishing with you. I think we have an awesome time, and I think we can be good friends, right? We can be friends. You be like my fire. I'll be like your ice. Okay. I love your Elliott waves. They might suck, and you might be too much of a bear sometimes, but I really love you, man. I really love you, man. Do you really? No one's ever told me that. Thank you, Jordan. No one's ever told me they love me. Not even my wife. My wife hasn't even never told me that. Thank you, Jordan. This means so much to me, man. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jordan. Thank you. We're now best friends. Let's go on another fishing trip next week, okay? Let's go on another fishing trip. All right, I'm going to stop there. Man. I'm going to stop there. Jordan Pickle Hands. Fishing fantasies. We love you, Savvy. You were right. Everyone loves Savvy, guys. Everyone loves Savvy. Someone said, now kiss. I can't kiss Savvy, guys. I can't kiss Savvy. All right? There's only two things that I kiss right now. Okay? My pillow and my sexy, sexy girl, all right? And that's not Ethereum right now. There's only two things I kiss, all right? Right now it's not Bitcoin because Bitcoin's not behaving, all right? But I can't kiss Savvy. I can't. You guys don't want me to kiss Savvy. You guys don't want me to kiss Savvy on here. You really don't, man. I'm telling you right now, you really don't. Let's see. Jordan does this even when by himself. I probably do, man. I probably do. Listen, I mean, listen, guys. At the end of the day, I mean, we're still stuck in a range. I will say that nothing's really changed until we break out of between 40.5 and back down here at 34. Okay, 34,000 and 40.5. We're stuck in this freaking range. Okay, it's like the stupid range that we had up here when we were between 44 and 40. You guys remember that range? We were sort of sitting up there like, dude, like why are we just sitting between 40 and you guys know, you remember that range, right? That was a brutal range, right? When we were sitting in here for how long was it? Like, it seemed like longer than it was, but it was actually like a 2 week little consolidation here, and that was annoying, right? We remember those 2 weeks. That was a brutal 2 weeks. Listen, I know Bitcoin's coming up right now, but at the end of the day, we're mostly just chilling in this range again, even though we're slightly going up, slowly but surely. We're still just stuck between the previous support and stuck between the previous support and then the previous support that we had in our recent consolidation. So until we break there, we're really just sitting here. We're really just sitting tight and waiting for Captain BTC to hopefully wake up at the end of the day, right? Hopefully wake up. Let's see. Trapped in a nutshell. The chat's quiet today. You guys are quiet in the chat. The chat is moving slow today. Holy moly, man. Look at the chat. Is everyone hiding today? Everyone hiding today? No, but guys, just to go back to sand real quick, the big thing with sand, what I will say with sand is this, guys, it's right here, man. It's right here. I mean, you came up to back test. Came up to back test the previous support, right? If you just play, like, listen, this stuff is way, way easier than people make it out to be, man. Right? I mean, we came up, and you almost 100% knew you were going to get some resistance right here, right? I mean, you're coming up to test the previous low points, okay? It was almost a foregone conclusion that you were going to get some resistance at this point, right? If you just play in basic levels, I mean, it's really that simple, right? I mean, you can get cute and dirty and all this stuff here, but at the end of the day, that's really it. Drew said, I'm gaming while listening. Thumbs up, peeps. There wasn't any notifications on YouTube today. Sounds about right. What I've noticed is every single time I change my thumbnail, yeah, YouTube does this. I've noticed this. This is a trend. This is a trend. Every time I change my thumbnail, they don't send out notifications. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. But yeah, I mean that's the basic scenario looking at for sand. You just got to get back over your previous support. It's really that easy. It really is. Shake weights and a clapper. That's how I made it. Nice, dude. Nice, dude. Clint is formulating his bet. Oh, jeez. What is Clint's bet today? What's Clint's bet? We're about to dump hard soon. Denise said, can you check waves? Because Hotel quit spamming the chat. Krishan, stop spamming, man. I'm sure I love you, man. Krishan, I'm sure I love you, man. Listen, Kashan. I'm sure you watch every day and you're a great, great supporter of the channel. But can you please stop spamming? All right, I'm trying to be nice, right? I try to be nice because that's what it is. But keep it. I'll look at waves for you. Please stop spamming. All right, waves. What's going down here on waves? Why isn't waves going up? I mean, why isn't it going up? Well, let's see. Let's see. Swing low to swing high. I mean, listen, you broke every fib level, right? I mean, that's the name of the game. That is the name of the game. And the problem with this one is you had your macro lows here. And look where you got rejected from. It's like clockwork, man. It's like clockwork. All the alts, all right? All the alts that fell. You're going to see this from a lot of different alts. You're going to see the setup, guys. All the alts that fell below their previous crucial support now came up and got somewhat resistance on that same level, right? You guys can see here. All the support that we had back in the summertime, you fell below that level. That was an instant warning signal, right? That was an instant. How should I say this, guys? You guys know the deal. What kind of warning signal was that? Warning shots fired. Okay, you came back up, back tested that as resistance. All right, and then you got another fall. That's the same thing that we just saw with sand, right? Sand back tested its previous support levels and got rejected. Now what's the case? Well, I mean, you're not really showing any momentum here. Let's actually zoom in. Short term, you might be building up some momentum here on the short term, right? I mean, listen, I mean, you're coming down in a wedge on the 4 hour. Could you come lower? You absolutely could. I mean, but at the end of the day, let's actually just see where you went to. Yeah, 786 retracement. So I think what makes the most sense here is another back test of that 786. Right? A W reversal, right? Because bottoms usually for crypto, we've seen a lot of these W reversals on the downside, man. It's all about the W. We haven't really seen too many V-shaped bottoms, okay? You don't really see these bottoms anymore, right? We used to see these bottoms a lot for crypto. We normally see the W's, right? The W's, it's all about the W's now, man. So I think what makes the most sense is coming back down, back testing that 786, creating a W here, right? And then having that continuation back up out of our falling wedge. But I mean, that's sort of the short term I'm looking at there. But, longer term, how great is this until you reclaim the previous lows? I mean, until then, it's bearish until you, reclaim the previous lows. Here comes Bitcoin. Here comes Bitcoin. Guys, smack up that like button to help with the YouTube algorithm being an absolute... I'm not going to say it. Smack up that like button. No, appreciate it, guys. If you're enjoying the stream, definitely helps out. And you guys are great. But yeah, 38,850. Come on, BTC. Let's get some upwards movement here, man. Let's get it. Our daily close, by the way. We closed at a good number, at least in the short term, at about 38,673. Continue to just make higher highs, right? I mean, that's at least higher highs in the daily. So just keep chipping away, man. Chipping. We're chipping away like a little chipmunk. Okay? Just continuously chipping. Slowly but surely, right? Slowly but surely. We got to do it. I mean, that's the name of the game right now, guys. I saw someone who added me on Twitter today. I saw someone said, I keep drawing resistance lines. There's so many resistance lines for Bitcoin, and that's so true. There is so many resistance lines for Bitcoin, right? I mean, Bitcoin has a lot of work to do. It's going to be a grind. It's going to be a grind to get back up where we want to be, man. It really is. There's so much price action now up here that, I mean, you can draw, diagonal resistance lines, horizontal resistance lines. There's so much resistance now. It's gonna be a grind. All right, it's not going to be this big God candle that just goes woohoo, right? We're probably not going to see a Jesus candle, woohoo, as much as I want to see that. I would love to see that, right? Love to see that, but it might be a grind back up. It might be a grind, and it all starts, right? It all starts with breaking this $40,000 to $41,000 level at the end of the day. That's what it comes down to right now. Can we see an upwards movement for Bitcoin at the moment, or are we going to see another fake move to the upside like we've seen consistently? We've seen so many fake moves to the upside over and over from Bitcoin, but I'm ready to start moving back up. I don't know about you guys. I'm ready. I know some of you guys still want to keep the Kumbaya Campbell. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Oh, man. It's too funny, bro. Bearish, lots of resistance, impossible to hold, no hope, stay depressed. Chan. Look at what Chan just said. He said, what does it even mean? Bearish, lots of resistance, it's impossible, no hope, stay depressed. Stay depressed. That's brutal, man. Don't be telling people that. You gotta stay positive in times like this, man. Stay up. Stay up. Stay up. Hey, there's more to life than crypto. There's more to life than crypto. There's more to life than... Think about all the things we've talked about over the last couple of days, guys. We talked about aliens. We've talked about food. We've talked about so many things. There's more to life than crypto, right? So if crypto's getting you down, make sure you guys getting out doing stuff other than crypto. But at the moment, you know, we're watching this. We're watching this at the moment, okay? That's what we're doing. We'll continue to watch this. Anything really moving on alts at the moment? Not really. Not really, really. Won't get you far. VGH said that's a glass half empty mentality. I disagree. The shake weight. The shake weight. Pop of one of those gap. Wait, what? Oh, man. I'm ready to move back up, man. I'm sick of this. Happy clap? Oh, yeah, we need that. We need a happy clap right now. We do. Because I can see everyone's kind of moody today in the chat. I will say. Everyone's kind of moody, man. Where's my little guy here? There he is. Happy and clapping. Look at his face. Stare at his face while he's singing, man. Clapping. He's too good. Crypto King said, more to life than crypto. What do you think about Tom Brady leaving? It's ridiculous, man. He's one of my idols. Listen, I love Tom Brady. Tom Brady was... listen, I grew up with Tom Brady. And Tom Brady was my whole life as a Pats fan, man. I was... 9? When Tom Brady had his first start. And listen, he was my whole life as a Pats fan. And, you know, RIP. RIP. He will go down as the greatest football player to ever play. And that's what he'll do. All right? That's what he'll do. So, yeah, RIP, man. Crypto, food, and aliens is all I talk about. Oh, and clapping. Facts. 38,874. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go, boy. Where's my guy? Vikings! Let's go! We must move! 38,900! We must break this resistance! And then we must break the mere resistance of 39,000. Break it now! Or else! Everyone! Buy $10 worth of crypto! Right now! Remember that, guys? What was that? In September, actually. In September, everyone got told what was it? $10 worth of crypto, and then crypto just dumped. I know it wasn't funny, but you know, remember up here it was like El Salvador Day. I think it was right here, wasn't it? And then boom, El Salvador Day. We got crushed. How much did we dump on El Salvador Day? We actually dumped 19% on El Salvador Day, which is nuts, man. What a day. What a day that was. Everyone was hyping it up like, oh, we're going to pump up to the moon. $30. Okay, $30. We're going to pump up to the moon and then dump 20%. Right down to the downside. What a day. What a day. They got caught a lot at cheating. Drew, come on, man. Give us some credit, man. Christian said 2 bear markets equals negative 85%. If recession is greater than 85%, agree. I cannot say I agree. Okay, I do not agree whatsoever. But yeah, man, I don't see Bitcoin having an 85% correction. I really don't. I really don't. Michael said Jordan gave away his age. No one in the chat knows how old I am, man. No one in the chat does. People thinking they know how old I am, but they really don't. They have no idea. Zero. Yeah, but like I said, I don't see us having a 85% move, right, down to the downside. That's it's nowadays, right? Nowadays, I think we're going to consistently just see that. You know, I've sort of had this thought process, right, where I think we're going to get moves like this. We're going to get, you know, slight moves to the upside and slight moves to the downside. Slight moves to the upside, slight moves to the downside, right? We're going to get those, you know, ever so slight moves up and down, up and down, up and down. 46? All right, Boots. All right, Boots. How old are you? How old are you, man? 85. 214. You guys are all wrong. You're all wrong. That's funny because no one in the chat got it right. Not one person in the chat got it right. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. After all that time, no one got it right. That's crazy, man. I can't believe none of you guys got it right. 46, 32, 46. Immature clown. True, Pat. That's very, very true. I'm a woman, not a man. Everyone thinks you're a woman. That's funny. That's funny, man. Am I from 1993? I am from 1993. Facts. 1993, man. All right, so say Chica. Chica. Everyone's still guessing. 20 to 6. All right, let's look at some other stuff here. Let's look at some other stuff we haven't looked at in a while, shall we? Let's look at. Let's bring up BTC. Let's just talk about some crap, shall we, man? And let's see if you guys want to let me know to check out any altcoins or anything. Let me know in the chat, but we'll check out some more BTC stuff. Bitcoin all-time history index. Let's see. My math says you're 30. Not a chance, man. Not a freaking chance. You act like you're from 86. Boy. All right, let's look at some other stuff here. What can we look at here? What can we look at? Log growth curves. Let's see what we're kind of looking at with this. So, log growth curves. We did say that we came back down to test this 386 fib. Actually, it's a 236. The 236 fib on the log growth curves. And we said that that could be, right? That could be a short-term support level that we've seen. We know in the summertime we held that 382. And ever since then, we kind of been stair-stepping down, right? We got rejected here at the 618, came back down, right? Came back up, came back down. Will we get short-term support there at the, ultimately, the 236 Fibonacci? And can that be a reversal point? Like the summertime, the 386 was a reversal point. So that's something I'm watching here for. I don't know. Where would the top of this growth curve be? Just in theory, if we were to look, where would it be today? We'd be looking at a price of 163K. 163K. Do I think that's going to happen right now? No. I don't. Personally. But, hey, that's what it's saying. That's what it's saying, 163K. What would it be in the middle of 2022? I'm curious. Middle of 2022 is close to 200K. I don't know about that, man. The hairline says 50. We're looking at the hairline today, guys. Let's check out the hairline. Hairline is looking kind of bullish today. What do you guys think about the hairline? Bullish or bearish today? Look at how bright it is. Look at how bright it is today. There's like a glare right here. Holy moly. Look at that glare. You guys see the glare right there? Holy moly. Bullish or bearish? There's definitely, man, there's definitely a little bit of hair growing back. I will say that I think we're getting a retrace, guys. I think we're getting a retracement. I do think that we're going to get a little bit of bullish, little bullish divergence coming in here. We had one string of hair that's higher than the other one. Bullish divergence, definitely see a retracement back down. I think it's definitely looking bullish, personally. Very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. We go no hat today. Holy moly. Bullish. Baldish. Scale of 1 to 10 Cowan. Oh, man. W pattern. Let's see. I worked on something today. I wasn't sure about the year. Oh, boy. What the heck did you work on? You got to let me know after this. What the heck did you work on? There's got to be a retracement. It's definitely retracing, guys. I will say. I busted out the Rogaine. I said last time, I don't know if Rogaine is what grows your hair. Guys, am I right about that? Is Rogaine what grows your hair? I don't know. I generally don't know. I think it is. And I've kind of said that I could. Sometimes I feel like I'm saying stuff and I really don't know if it's, if it's what it actually is. And I kind of just say it. But it's funny. Where's the fear and greed index at, guys? Let's actually check this today. Let's see. 28. So we're still in fear, guys. People are still pooping their pants. Holy crap, I look like a white ghost right here. We're still at a 28 on the fear, okay? Which is crazy, man. We're still there. So people are still fearful. I guess it's not crazy. I guess people should still be fearful in the grand scheme of things. But here we go in the grand scheme of things. What I am slightly bearish on is the discounts, guys. I mean, this is a sign of inflation, like we said. The discounts on the True Classic tees, very, very, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous, man. Like, the best discount we have is 20% and 14% discounts. You guys remember when we had like 30% discounts? We had 25% discounts. This is bearish, man. This is very, very bearish. Very, very, very bearish. I will say. As far as our fear and greed ads go, I will say. Oh, boy. JC white screen. Minoxidil. The good old days. Yeah, guys, keep smacking those likes. Smack those likes up to a new all-time high. Who says that? Who said that? Smack those likes up to a new all-time high. Who says that? Oh, that's Crypto. Crypto says that. No, guys, smack. YouTube doesn't like those short. What does he say? He says, YouTube doesn't like the short videos, guys. So make sure you guys smack up that like to an all-time high. Smack up that like to an all-time high. And let's jump on into the video, okay? You guys can clearly see. That's not even his accent. Smack them up to an all-time high. Guys, they were spitting on me. They were absolutely spitting on me. Everyone's making fun of me for my analysis, okay? Everyone's making fun of me for my analysis. And it's absolutely ridiculous. I'm here in Dubai today. I'm here in Dubai. Oh, man, dude. It's better than usual. Final stand. Smash. Everyone's spitting on my face. Shout out to the Mac boy. Shout out to Mac Attack again. Love Mac Attack. Love me some Mac Attack. Thank you. I thought that was pretty good today. I thought that was way better than I normally do. Normally my Crypto accent is non-existent. It's usually really bad. Really, really bad. Jordan is capable of doing accent without hint of Irish. Listen, man, I am Irish. I am an Irishman. I am a mere Irishman. Actually, what do you guys think is my heritage? You guys think that other than Irish, what else do you think that is in my heritage? There's also another side of me which you guys would never expect. Never expect. Not once. I'm so bad at accents. I am. 100%. 110%. All right. What is there any alts doing anything, man? Let's check. ETC. Yeah, look at ETC, man. Look at ETC, 27.39. So ETC's trying to do something. All right. We can get a little deep and dirty here. I know no one's excited right now about ETC, but I'm going to be excited about ETC, okay? Look at this pickle, man. Look at how big my mouth is. Holy moly. Woo! Look at my mouth. I can do some damage with this mouth. Put some chicken tikka in there. All right. Anyways, I'll stop that. I'll stop. Yeah, like Jordan, please stop that right now. Please do it. VZH said, I told you I got the data in the past 24 hours that shows BTC will crap the bed soon. Well, you know, I think I think we all don't have any trust in BTC, right? I don't have trust in BTC. No one has trust in BTC. So ETC really, when it comes down, I mean, right now, guys, just be careful. If you're FOMOing into ETC, I don't know how many people are going to be FOMOing into ETC. But right now, you are coming up and getting temporary resistance. Well, you might get some resistance here on the previous swing lows. Okay? So the low, you might be getting a little bit of resistance here. So just like all the other altcoins we talked about earlier, right? You don't want to flip that previous support into new resistance. Okay? That's exactly what you don't want to see. So keep that in mind. Let's see. MySpace said that's just wrong. Hey, it's only wrong if you're not comfortable in your own skin, man. You only think that's wrong if you're not comfortable in your own skin. Okay? If you're like, oh, I don't want to see that. Right? That's only you. All right, BTC's crap in the bed. Here we go, boys. Well, we're not really crap in the bed yet, I would say. I mean, we're more so still just in this like little rejection. We've gotten like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 4-hour candles in a row of hitting that level. We gotta say it here. You can work at a carnival? Probably. You look like a tree. I look a little like a tree. Oh, super chats. I got you. Sorry, Lindsay. I wasn't trying to ignore you. I swear. I promise I wasn't trying to ignore you. Crypto King said, please TA on MCO2. MCO2? What is that, man? What is MCO2? MCO2. Oh, is it a 0? Hold on. There we go. MCO2. What the heck is this, man? Bruh. This thing is some serious volatility. Dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump. Look at this thing. Just look at it, man. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. I mean, you come up to test this level how many times, man? 1, 2, 3. You just keep coming up to test this level, right? That's crazy. It's absolutely crazy, man. Stop ignoring me. But hey. Oh, man. I didn't mean to press that. Let's see. Oh, boy. What the heck? Dude, this broke to the downside, all right? Broke to the downside. You kind of broke the short-term support, right? So 1, 2, 3, smacked it to the downside. Right? Bruh, come on, bruh.
Bruh.
And you broke it to the downside. So this could be, right, at least short-term, this could be something interesting, right? This could definitely be something interesting. So keep that in mind. Elon just tweeted about baby Doge. No, man. Enough with the baby Doge. Enough with the Shiba Doge. Enough with all the Doges. I'm sick of all the Doges, man. I'm sick of all the Doges. We had all of them infiltrate the chat yesterday. I don't want to talk about the Doges. I really, really don't. I really, really don't. Bro. But yeah, listen. You broke this to the downside. That's. I mean, this thing's all over the place, man. Who knows what this thing's gonna do? This thing's volatile as a jackrabbit. Look at this thing. Jackrabbit, 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 jackrabbit. Good luck. Good luck with this thing. That's all I'll say. Bitcoin's coming down a little bit here, at least on the 15-minute. Bruh.mp3. You guys, it's all saying bruh now. Bruh. If you guys heard that crying child in the back, once again, okay, it is my roommate babysitting again. Keep that in mind. Bruh. Every time you hear that, you guys are like, oh, you guys are like, what the heck is going on out there? Every time that happens, you're like, does Jordan live with the does Jordan live with the Bitcoin the Chinese miners? Jordan's onto something. Jordan's Satoshi. Every single time, man. It's too funny. I remember that time where they were talking outside my door, and you got Jordan's Satoshi. That was too funny, man. That was funny. That was really funny that time. Jordan has a baby? Nope. I do not have a baby. No baby. No baby for me. Can't see the number above you? Oh. My bad. Wait, you should be able to see it. Why is this all jacked up? Why is this all kind of jacked up? There we go. Right there. 38,526. I knew what this guy has. Anyways, 38. Jordan's side gig is babysitting. At this point, yeah, I can't work at McDonald's anymore. Okay? I really can't. I can't work at McDonald's anymore, so I gotta do something. I gotta do something in the meantime, okay? Come on now. Come on now. But anyways. We chilling, guys. I mean, we're chilling at the moment. Bitcoin, it never fails, bro. Every time we have some sort of hope of something happening on stream, we just don't do anything. We don't do anything. It's crazy. It's crazy. I even think about it all day, too. All right, Lindsay wants GMX. Let me check out GMX. GMX. This is going to be another crazy one. No GMX on TradingView, Lindsay, but we can go over here. Let's check it out in here. GMX. I'm going to assume it's this one. Let's see if there's anything on here we can look at. Yeah, I mean, listen. This is another one. I mean, this has only been out for 2 months or so. 3 months, 4 months, if I can do my math correctly. Only been around for like 4 months or so. So, you know, I mean, there's not really much I can take from this chart. You zoom in a little bit here. Just consolidating sideways. I mean, you can see you're getting higher lows, lower highs. Not really much I can do with this, but just consolidate, waiting for a move. I mean, for the most part. I can't really look at anything on TradingView, though, because it's not there. But what is this, by the way? This is decentralized spot and perpetual exchange. Okay. A spot and Leverage exchange. Interesting. Very, very interesting.
Can you look at MCO2?
Bro, can you look at MCO2? Mattis, we just looked at MCO2. Mattis, we literally just looked at MCO2. That thing is all over the place, man. That thing is literally all over the place. Like, I have no idea what's happening with that thing. I'm not looking at it again. Like that thing is up, down, sideways, doop, 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 doop. Things like a stable coin, but the most unstable coin I've ever seen in my life. I will say that, Matisse. Doop, 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 doop. Listen, doing TA on this, GG, man. GG. That's all I'll say. GG. Go for it. Nothing's going to happen with that. Let's see. That thing is fire. Poops the bed. Do I have a pad for my V? No pad for my V at the moment. No pad for my V, guys. There's no pad for my V. Okay. What's Carl up to today? What's Carl up to today? Hey, guys. It's Carl. And welcome to the moon. Hey, guys. It's Carl. And welcome to the moon. Today, guys, we're going to do a 40-minute live stream of me just, talking about nothing. So here we go. 40-minute live stream, guys. You guys know anything about Costa? Real quick, I just want to let you guys know that Costa is coming out with a new, actually, it hasn't even came out yet, but listen, Costa is going to be great. You guys should definitely invest in Costa. Make sure you guys are doing it. Also, my good friend NM Crypto is also trying to get VPAD to launch back to the upside. So make sure you guys check out VPAD, and also, obviously check out my Bybit link down below. You guys can trade with my Bybit link right down below. Let's do a quick live stream. So you guys can see that right now Bitcoin is in a ascending triangle pattern. I'm going to give you guys some high tech analysis, right? I'm going to give you guys analysis that no one else is going to show you. You guys can clearly see that Bitcoin is an ascending triangle pattern. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm going to do, right? This is some expert TA analysis, okay? I'm going to put a long position in. If Bitcoin breaks this resistance right here, I'm going to put in a 100x long position over on Bybit. Make sure you guys use my link down below over on Bybit, right? Once again, guys, Bybit right down below. If this does break to the upside, I'm going to put a 100x long position over on Bybit once again. And I think that's going to be the trade that we need to see there for Bitcoin. So once again, guys, over on Bybit, you guys can get a up to $4,100 bonus if you sign up using only my link. You got to use my link down below. You guys can also buy Costa over there if you guys want to buy Costa. You guys can definitely do that over there. Carl! Shut the hell up about Costa. We don't care about that crappy coin, okay? The only thing that I want that rhymes with Asta is some pasta. That's all I want. And if I hear you say Bybit one more freaking time and talk about your long positions one more freaking time, I'm going to absolutely flip out, okay? I could do that analysis. Wow, that's some high-tech analysis. An ascending triangle? Wow. I think my dog could come out with that analysis, Carl. If I see you do Bybit, shut the heck up about Bybit. I don't care about Bybit. We know you like freaking Bybit. We know you like Costa. We know. Okay? This is ridiculous. I'm so sick of hearing about this. And now you got the Crypto Rover doing the same thing on Twitter. Okay? We got Crypto Rover doing the same thing. Who's this Crypto Rover guy? We got Carl Jr. over here, over on Twitter. I'm sick of this. I'm unsubscribing. We got Carl. Oh, man, bro. Hey, I will say, at least Carl's doing some live streams now. At least he's doing something better than 4-minute videos. That's good. What the hell happened to Kava? Is it just dying? We'll check it out. Let's see. Scrolling up. What happened to Kava? You can check Kava. Carl Kava. So Kava is, let's see what's going on with Kava. So Kava, which we haven't looked at in a while.
Lava. Is it just dying?
Oh man, but Kava is, let's see, dude, let's come over here and come down here. Let's do swing high to swing low to swing high. Yeah, I mean, another 786. I hate to sound like a broken record, guys, but we came down to the 786 fib here again, right? 328. $3.28 is, well, we bounced right off that 786 fib, just like we did back in May. Okay, this is actually the weekly. Let me go to the daily, so it's a little bit more useful, as I would say. But yeah, right there. So you also had bullish div on the daily. Okay, will we see any type of move off the 786 with bullish div on the daily? I mean, listen, man, the setup is there. It's just, dude, you need Bitcoin to behave. You need Bitcoin to behave, man. That's what we need at this moment. That's literally what we need, okay? So all I'll say is, once again, come on, where are you? Come on, man. Okay, you don't want to play. You don't want to play, man.
Nope.
You don't want to play, bro. But yeah, bullish div on the daily. Let's see if we can get any continuation to the upside. This would be a more macro level for a macro bottom. But listen, Bitcoin controls the day, right? I mean, that's why I keep saying, like, altcoins up to a certain point, you need Bitcoin to stay steady, right? If Bitcoin can go sideways, altcoins should perform well. You got to get back above this 338 level. I mean, you came up to this once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. You got to get back above this level too, right? That's what it comes down to too. Just like BTC's got to get back over this damn. If you go to that 4 hour, BTC's got to get back over this damn, 39 to 40K, right? I mean, more so 39K. Same thing with Kava. I keep looking at Kava and think it says Costa, but it's not. It's not Costa. It's not Costa, it's Kava. Man. My mind just thinks it says Costa, but it really doesn't. It really doesn't. VPAD sounds like a brand of feminine products. True. Very true. Freaking bra, bro. You guys are killing me with bra. Let me actually go over here. Let me actually adjust this real quick. Creighton says, Jordan always streams after the buy impulse exhausts and the sell impulse is active, and there is no pressure from either. Facts. Facts, Creighton. It's brutal, man. It's brutal. You know why? Because I have to sit up here and talk about nothing. You know what I mean? Which I don't mind doing. Like I actually like just sitting here and talking to you guys a lot of the time. But for you guys, I wish there was a little bit more price action, right? Makes it a little bit more entertaining. But yeah, man, it's been a brutal. Listen, I don't mind this. As long as we were getting something, man. But it's been brutal. It's been brutal the last 2 months as far as price action. No pad for my V, bro. No pad for your V. You don't need no V for your pad for your V. We want bruh.
Bruh.
There you go. There you go. You got the pad. You got bruh. Guys love the bra, huh? Anderson said, at least I realized the time for me to eat and shower now. Facts. 2022 is boring, said K-Dub. All right, what should we talk about? What should we talk about, guys? Give me something to talk about, man. It's one of those days, bro. It is literally one of those days. We talk about everything we can kind of talk about with Bitcoin, right? To be honest. ETC is the biggest gainer right now. Look at ETC. Up 4%, man. I mean, listen, this ETC is you know it's bad when Ethereum Classic is the is the top game. Ethereum Classic's the only thing pumping right now. But it is. It's trying to. Can it break back above the previous highs? The 4 hour is getting a little bit exhausted here. I will say. It's getting a little bit exhausted. What happened to bro? We're not talking about aliens again, bro. We're not going to sit here and talk about aliens. Even though there are aliens, guys. There are aliens out here. Okay? There's 100% aliens. We know there is. Okay? We know that there is. So what I'll say is, here's the thing about aliens. I'll ask you guys about the chat. Right? Do you guys think that aliens? Do you guys think that aliens are among us? Okay, among us in the world, like they're already here and they're in disguise, or do you think that they aren't here and they're just somewhere else? Listen, I wouldn't be surprised if they're here. I wouldn't be surprised at all, not one bit, because you just never know, man. I mean, think about the technology that humans have, you know, and how would technology be from another life form that would be somewhere else, right? I mean, just think about it. If they were around for way longer than we are, I don't even want to know what these guys have. These guys have some crazy amount of technology. I don't even want to know what these aliens have. I'm an alien? No, they don't know English. George is an alien. You guys want to see an alien right now? I'll show you an alien. Oh, I'll show you an alien, all right. Hold up. Here we go. Here we go. I'll show you one. Where's my guy? Yeah! Here we are, baby. Here we are. What's going on, guys? I love Bitcoin and I love Dogecoin. I love Dogecoin. Dogecoin will be accepted at Tesla. I know you guys all were so excited for that. You guys are so excited for Tesla payments. Okay? How could you not be excited for Tesla payments with Doge? I know you guys all want a Tesla hat. You guys all want a you guys all want a Tesla sweatshirt. I know you guys all want it. And listen, guys, I also believe in aliens, okay? I also believe in aliens, right? I think that we are atoms, okay? Our world, our galaxy is an atom of a bigger being, right? So you know how humans are made of atoms, okay? Well, it also goes in the same retrospect, right? Baked evil. Right? It goes in the same retrospect, right? Think about it this way. I am the inventor of SpaceX, okay? I know that there's aliens out there. We are atoms of bigger beings, just like we have atoms in ourselves. Okay? But listen, I love Dogecoin. Dogecoin will be the first currency of Mars. I'll tell you that right now. And that's that's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. When free Tesla? I don't know. We don't give out free Teslas over here. We are about making profit over at Tesla. And we don't give out free Teslas, okay? Pass the blunt. You said pass the blunt. Oh, man. There we go. Everything is made of atoms. Facts. Everything is made of atoms. Elon is an alien. When free Tesla. What else are you guys saying in here? Is there a Michael Saylor one? Hold on. Let's see if we got Michael Saylor in here. I doubt it. I doubt it. Yo, who the heck is this? Yo! It's Michael Myers. All right, I'm gonna stop with that. I get way too excited over that stuff. Vitalik, Buterin, and Alien just minding his nose for clapping. You guys want to see Vitalik? Vitalik, we are all aliens. I don't know if. Listen, I guess everything is an alien. How do you know that humans aren't aliens? And humans... Oh, this is a good one, guys. This is a really, really good one. We're turning into an alien channel. This is great. We're turning into an alien channel slowly. How do you know that humans aren't actually the aliens and we came from a different world? Okay? How do you know? How do you not know that? Right? That all the animals you see today, okay, and the dinosaurs that were here, how do you know that aliens are humans? We didn't get transported over here from a different galaxy, and in fact, humans are actually the aliens. How do we know this then? Mind blown. Mind absolutely blown. How do we know this? Humans might be the aliens, man. You don't know. I know you're going with this. Where's Vitalik, man? You got no Vitalik in there? I'll show you Vitalik right now. That's not Vitalik. What's going on, guys? I am the creator of Ethereum. I love Ethereum. It's great. Vitalik is happy and clapping. Happy and clapping. I am the best.
Happy
It's me.
Vitalik is impressed.
I am happy, clapping, clapping, clapping. Oh man, dude, what is? This is what we came to. This is what we've came to, man. Holy crap, Bitcoin is boring right now. This is what we came to over here, bro. Oh man, there's always so much I can talk about crypto, guys. Especially when we're in a freaking crab market. The only thing going up right now is ETC. So we'll watch ETC. Vitalik Buterin is an alien just mining in his nose and clapping. Facts. Absolute facts. What have we come to? This is great. This is great. We're yeah. What was that? I want to see Karen demanding job as manager. Karen? Mike! Mike! Get down here right now! Why didn't you clean the dishes? Why didn't you clean the dishes? Mike, get down here right now. Mike's not home. Jabba, get down here right now. You gotta clean the dishes. No! Mom! It's Bob's turn! I can't even do it! Every time I touch a plate, it breaks! I'm busy shorting! I'm trying to make us money! I'm the only one making us money out here! Everyone else is bullish! I'm the only bear! I can't do dishes! Make Bob do it! Make Bob do it! My hands are too big. Oh, man, bro. No! I don't want to do it. This is too much, man. This is too much. Yo, imagine if this was actually a show. This would be great as a legit show. Just seeing Jabba and Bob fighting. That would be great. That would be absolutely great, man. Drew said, I'm in a short right now. Nice short, Drew. I'm not trusting this ETC move up. You're coming up to the swing lows. Probably a good time to short. I mean, most alts are getting rejected from the previous swing lows. Like we've seen multiple times. We've seen that multiple times. Shazeb said, Shazeb became a member. What's going on, Shazeb? Thanks for coming a member, man. Appreciate you, dude. Yo, that's too much. That's too much. It is a it's a show. It really is. It really is. Beavis and Butthead. Oh man, listen, I'm not funny, guys. I'm trying to make something out of a situation where it's boring. Hope you're doing well in your shorts. What's going on, Handleton? You don't miss me, man? You don't miss me? Oh, let's do a poll real quick. Who do you like? Who do you like the best? Who do you like the best? We're gonna do Giordano. We're gonna do Bob, and we're gonna do Jabba. And we're gonna do my cousin Jimmy. Okay, there we go. My cousin Jimmy. The dope spot. So Jordan, have you seen the hybrid system? I watch Traders Reality sometimes. I do. You know what I'll say about that is, that's more trader stuff. I'm not interested in that type of stuff. But I do watch those streams every now and then. I think Tino's pretty cool. He's a pretty cool guy. I mostly just watch it for him and not so much what he's talking about. But generally speaking, listen, what I'll say about that stuff is that stuff works when you're in a range. Here's what I'll say though, like when crypto's bullish, you can throw the hybrid system out the door. I'll tell you right now, like if crypto's really in a bullish trend, you can take that hybrid system and throw it in the trash. It works when you're in a more controlled environment, but I'll tell you this. If crypto's moving up like this, or moving up like this, or moving up like this, okay, or moving up like this, or moving up like this, which is what I'm in the market for, right? That stuff, I mean, that stuff works until it doesn't, right? I'll say that, right? Because on this whole way move up, you'll say, oh, there's liquidity to the downside. There's liquidity to the downside. And it'll just keep going, right? That's how I feel about that. I'm not a trader, but it works until it doesn't work. That's what I'll say. It works until it doesn't hurt. It works until it doesn't work. Giordano, because he is the creative one. Or cracks. I am the creative one. Super creative. Okay? That's what I'm on this earth for. I'm on this earth for positivity, laughter, and just being me, man. Just being me. That's how I sell the tops. Jordan has the hots for Tino. Yeah, I like Tino. He's a cool guy. In the grand scheme of things. What do you guys say? Jabba? Come on, man. I'm coming in last? Are you guys serious? I'm coming in last in this? That's ridiculous. I can't believe I'm coming in last in this. This time is different. BTC will move sideways forever. That hair is pretty creative. Thank you, man. I think it is too. I think it is too. Let's see. What are we looking at right now? We got. Oh, that's not. Oh, you guys are making it sound like there's not. We still got 900 people. Listen, if you guys didn't, we still got 900 people in here, and you guys didn't even get notifications today. That is great. I'll take that all day. That is great. I'll take that every second of the day. Right? You guys made it sound like we had like 400 people in here. And you guys, 900 you guys still listen, just sitting here listening to me talk about absolute nonsense. This is great, man. This is great. All right, BTC doing its thing, you know, ranging sideways here in the 15 minute, you know, pretty much just sitting between 38,000 and 39,000. I mean, that's really it. That's really all that's going down. This is Jabba's last stream. He let you co-host. That's funny, man. Hey guys, I'm gonna be the host today. Welcome to Jabba's Bearish TA. I might have Savvy on as a guest today, guys. Would you like that? Let me know in the chat. I might have Savvy on. Let's do some TA. So, guys, listen. I'm in a giant short right now. I'm in a giant short position. I do think Bitcoin's going to dump here. It's very, very clear. You can see it. I mean, just look at it. It looks like a giant chicken wing. It looks like a giant chicken wing, right? And I do think this is going to get rejected here. Every time we come up to this, we get rejected. It's 100% dumping. We're definitely going to see 8,000 like Savvy's going to see eventually. But I think short term, we're going to move back down here. Okay? I definitely think that's happening. I couldn't do a whole streamless Java. I could not do that the whole time, man. I could not do that the whole time. There's no way. Call Savvy a guy who knows TA. Oh, God, man. I love when the Savvy truthers come out. The Savvy truthers come out when the price is going down. And then they're gone when the price is going up, man. It's too funny, man. But somehow Bitcoin tends to trend up with time. So I guess I'll take being wrong some of the time while being right most of the time. I'll definitely take that. I will definitely take being right most of the time than being wrong most of the time. Definitely take that. Chicken drinking hot sauce pattern. Java is so Java is so open and vulnerable. What? That's so random. Java is so open and vulnerable. Meow Mix, you gotta chill, man. Oh, man. Multiple short positions. Help BTC with the pump song. We're trying to. Bitcoin's trying to move back up right now. I'm going to hang on, even though there's not really much going on, guys. I'm going to chill. I'm going to chill for a little bit. Because there ain't much going on in the cryptoverse. Have you seen the Indian version of Vitalik? No. That sounds absolutely weird. Like, that seems crazy. Indian version of Vitalik? How is that even a thing? Yeah. All right, let's look at our poll. So, who do you like the best? Looks like Java got the clear vote, 44%. We got Giordano with 23%. Shout out to Giordano. Woohoo! Second place, baby. Then we had Jimmy with third place votes. We still got to find Jimmy, guys. Jimmy's gone again. And we got Bob with 15%. So people don't like Bob. Maybe because he's a troll. Maybe because he's the troll. You never know. You never know. Your triangle's weak. It is kind of weak, huh? It was looking pretty juicy. Let's go back to the hourly chart. Oh, jeez, man. Look at the hourly. Right? If we were to... I mean, we could certainly adjust this like Savvy a little bit, right? And this could be... I would say, you're just adjusting the triangle. I'm not a big fan of adjusting triangles. I don't like adjusting them. I more so just draw them to get... I don't trade, guys. You know that. I more so just draw these to get a sense on, you know, where they're, like, how long it's going to take for us to get a possible move, right? So looking at maybe a couple hours, volumes declining, which you want to see inside of a consolidation pattern. So could see a move within the next couple hours. Quite possibly. Let's see. Senpai, gotta go now. Thanks. Peace out, Maher. Peace out, Maher. I've got an eventful week coming up, guys. Guys, I remember I told you I got a fender bender. I dropped off my car today to get fixed. So that's at the shop. You know, they said the parts might take up to a month to get there. That is crazy, man. The parts might take up to a month to get there. That's absolutely nuts. Cody said I spit my taco when Java said chicken wing. Oh, shout out to Taco Tuesday. I got tacos last night, by the way. Yes, I had a taco night on Tuesday. Shout out to Taco Monday. Shout out to Taco Monday. See, when sometimes me and my friends go out to get Taco Tuesday, we decided to go yesterday. Shout out to tacos. But yeah, it might take about a month to get my car fixed, man. Which is crazy, dude. Not the Beetle, dude. Yes, the Beetle got destroyed. Absolutely destroyed. But that's fine, though. That's fine. Because I needed to get that over with. I gotta see. Yes, absolutely, man. Abso-freaking-lutely, man. I got it's gonna be an eventful week. Eventful week. I got a party on Saturday, and then, you know, we're talking about. Yeah, man. Shouldn't be much more traveling in the near future, which is good. Not much more traveling in the near future. I will say that, which is really, really good. Have you seen the, well, I should say, shouldn't be much traveling soon in the near future. Parts coming on a broke down train. Yeah. Yo, the train actually broke down, okay? Okay? The train did not actually break. I said it did not actually. It actually broke down, okay? It actually broke down. I was sitting there. I'm like, dude, they're going to kill me, man. They're going to kill me. I'm going to be late to the stream. They're going to kill me. That was my thought process.
Spending 4,300 on a transmission, loudly crying tears of joy.
I'm having a baby on Friday. Smiles, there you go, man. Congratulations. Smiles is having a baby. Everyone party with Smiles. Everyone say, Smiles is having a baby. Towards Captain. It's so cliche. Oh man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, they're eight. Congrats, Smiles. Congrats, man. I don't want to hold babe. I don't want to hold babe. Yeah, not much traveling coming up for me, guys, so which is good. I probably won't be missing any streams, which is good. Yeah. Maybe there's no volume. There is no volume. We're falling off. We're patiently just waiting for this move for Bitcoin. I mean, in reality, we're getting higher lows, lower highs. Just patiently waiting. We're patiently waiting. That's what I'll say. It's saying in here.
813 McDoubles with extra pickles today in hopes of a gigantic green throb.
Oh man, Pawtucket said just got done spending $4,300 on a transmission. I don't mean to laugh, man. Cars suck, bro. I've spent not much money I've spent on cars. Not buying the actual cars, but fixing cars in my life. It was crazy, dude. I've spent a ridiculous amount of money fixing cars that I probably shouldn't have fixed in the first place. You know, it's ridiculous, man. But I agree. Hopefully it wasn't a Nissan. Nissan suck with transmissions. Okay? Absolutely suck with transmissions. Let's see. I ate 13 McDoubles with extra pickles today in hopes of a gigantic green throbbing Giga Chad pickle from Sailor. What? I guess not. Back to work, grind, Mac Jones. Nice, man. I don't know what was going on there. You ate 13 McDoubles with extra pickles. I didn't do that. Am I sure I'm done with traveling? Guys, I might, I shouldn't say might. For now, okay, I might not be a Bostonian. Okay? I might not be a Bostonian in the near future here. I will say that, man. I might not be a Bostonian in the near future. It's time for me to spread my wings. It's time for me to spread my wings and leave Boston. It's been real, man. It's been real. Did to spread my wings onto greener pastures. Those dang deer. Dude, I've never hit a deer. That's, you know, guys know that's actually one of my biggest fears. Okay? That's one of my biggest fears, actually hitting a deer when you're driving at night. Because, dude, those things can launch out in front of you, bro. Right? Those things can absolutely launch in front of you. Like, you could be driving and then all of a sudden, boom. And I've actually seen, okay, I've actually seen multiple deer as I was driving, man. As I was driving, I seen multiple deer, right? And I've actually seen one as I'm driving in the right lane on the highway, right? I'm driving in the right lane on the highway. A deer is coming out the woods like this, okay? Coming out the woods like this, all right? Literally comes like this and stops, like, not near me, but like pretty close. We're talking 3 feet away from my car, okay? And I turn, I'm like, bruh. You know when you're that close. You know when you're that close. And it's crazy, man. It's literally crazy. So you can see the look in the deer's eyes. Like, it just stands there like a dumbass. It's like this. I think I'm going to cross the road right now. Meh. I'm going to go right now. Oh, no, I'm going to stop right in front of the road. Meh. Meh. That's supposed to be car beeps, by the way. I'm going to stop right in front of the road. Meh. It's supposed to be car beeps.
Bruh.
Oh, man. That wasn't a car beep at all, man. Whoa, what's going on here? What is going on here? Hold up. Hold up. Don't be falling on me, green screen. If you fall on me, you're gonna hurt me. Don't be falling on me. I thought it was the deer. Deers don't do noises. Do deers make noises? I don't think deers make noise. If they did, I mean, they would probably be dead. That was a deer. Deer float. Do you do crypto charts, Jordan? I do, Dale. I do. I mean, we know we're waiting at the moment, man. We're waiting for this breakout of this little symmetrical triangle, man. That's what we're waiting for at the moment. Watching Jordan do car beeps. Said MySpace. He's watching Jordan do car beeps. Nothing gets better than watching me do car beeps. I will say that. I definitely will say that. They do? But man. All right, guys. What else you guys saying in here? Funny you say that. Nissan 2017 Altima. Yeah, guys. Listen, I know a good amount of cars. Okay, I know a good amount about cars. Nissans are the worst when it comes to transmission. Jeeps, right? Jeeps are the worst when it comes to check engines. Okay, check engine lights come all. Jeeps. Listen, I like Wranglers. Okay. Check engine lights, ridiculous, like all the time. Nissans, transmission issues, all the time. Okay, it's ridiculous, man. Those two brands just consistently. Ford, right? Don't get me started with Ford service centers. Ford sucks. You ever drop your car off a Ford service center? That place sucks. They're so slow. Okay, I get it. Maybe they're understaffed. Ford sucks. Okay. When it comes to service, but you know, we won't go there, right? We won't go there. Toyota or Honda all the way. Yeah, Denise, you know, Toyota or Honda. All right, when you're getting into that class of cars, you're going Toyota or Honda. Do not go with Nissan. All right, do not go with Nissan. Don't do it, man. I've done it before. Don't do it. Okay, Volkswagen Beetles are also great. You love cars? Volkswagen Beetles all day, guys. I'm telling you, the Beetle is great. I love my Beetle. Okay, it is a great car. It is compact, or it keeps me nice and tight. It's great, right? It's great. It's not even a convertible. It's just a classic white Volkswagen Beetle. It's great. You might make fun of me for it, but hey, it is what it is. Jeep can last a long time. They can. I've obviously had people have issues with Jeeps in my time. Rant alert. That new Bronco, though, not a fan of the new Bronco. I do not like the new Bronco. I think it is a little bit too hyped up. The outside looks okay, but if you actually go in the inside, And I'm a big interior guy. I like interiors. Ram trucks. Get a horse. Broncos. Everyone make their lemons. Dale said, no wonder you like chick songs. I like all songs. Scotty Swing said, unsubs. See ya, Scotty Swing. Appreciate you, man. The new Bronco's not a new Bronco. True. Yeah, the new Yukons. The new Yukons are phenomenal, man. Absolutely phenomenal. I love the new Yukons. I like Yukons in general, but they're really good. Really good. It's a friggin' Explorer. The new Explorers are badass, though. I definitely get a new Explorer. You know? Dale said no TA today. Listen, Dale. All right, we'll do some altcoin TA real quick. You guys want some altcoin TA? Let's do some altcoin TA. All right. For the Bronco hate, Scotty, come on, man. I'm just not a big fan of the Bronco. No, ETC did get that rejection. I mean, there's just not much going on with altcoins, guys. Algo still in its little ascending triangle pattern, right? So we're still waiting on Algo, right? So it's pretty much the same boat with Algo. AVAX kind of the same thing, right? AVAX, we got still that ascending triangle on AVAX. Most of the altcoin charts are going to look pretty similar, guys. And until Bitcoin makes a decision in its ascending triangle, okay, the altcoins are going to do the same thing. All right, so higher lows, same resistance on the top side, classic ascending triangle on AVAX. We could go to probably DOT, probably going to look very similar. And it does, right? DOT, horizontal resistance right there at the previous high. Same thing, right? Same thing. This one's a little bit different. I mean, slightly different, but for the most part, getting higher lows, same resistance on the top side, right? Waiting on the same thing for DOT. So you guys get my point, right? I mean, altcoins are waiting for Bitcoin's move. They're all somewhat in the same boat as Bitcoin right now, right? Because the issue we're seeing right now is if Bitcoin gets rejected and comes back down here, you're probably going to see alts also drop back down to their support levels, right? So that's why we're so focused on Bitcoin at the moment, because that's going to tell you the general direction of altcoins. But if there's any way that short-term DOT can break up here, right, before Bitcoin, if Bitcoin was to dump before it does, right? I mean, we'd be looking at, let me just look left real quick. I mean, there's not really much there for DOT until 2250, right? So you could have a pretty decent move if that can break, right, before or either with Bitcoin. 12% move there. What I'd be looking for if that was to break. So yeah, I mean, DOT's another one that we're watching. Most of them are going to be pretty similar. Harmony, it's just, yeah, I mean, Harmony's a little bit different. Harmony's in a little bit of a symmetrical triangle. You guys can see we have Higher lows, lower highs, just consolidating. Still waiting on a move for this. Okay, this is on the 4-hour time frame as well. So for this one, it's the same thing. You have to give this a little bit more of a bearish bias since it is coming from the downside. You have to give it a little bit of bearish bias. So you probably could say this dropped to the downside more likely than not, but it's going to go general direction of BTC. So it's the same for Harmony, right? I'm going to assume that the breakout target, say if this was to break to the upside, so everyone likes the upside targets, okay, it's going to put you perfect. I mean, that's exactly the level I'd be looking at is the previous swing lows, which is right there, right? Swing low, swing low. That's right where the breakout target would be, 25.6. So that makes a lot of sense for Harmony. Why are we doing TA? I was enjoying Deer car horn chat. I was too. People were getting mad. They were like, Jordan, why are we, why are we looking at TA? And I agree, right? I generally agree at the moment. Final liquidity pools are wait for the moves. Done. Dave, I agree with you, my friend. I agree with you, my friend. I use TA to find buy levels and take profit levels. That's really all. I mean, listen, you guys know I'm not a trader, right? I'm not sitting out here whipping longs and whipping out my Dito. I'm not whipping out my pickle, 100x long and getting a hard on, right? I'm not, I'm not putting in 100x shorts out here, right? I'm not a trader, right? I'm not a Bitcoin hamster. I'm not a hamster. I like looking at the charts and I think it's fun. And that's why I generally speaking, like when I look at altcoins and stuff, I really stick to the daily. I'm not worried about hourlies and 4 hours for the most part. I look at it for you guys because I know a lot of you guys like that stuff. But for the most part, I like to stick to the daily time frame and up. That's really all I care about. And what are we caring about right now? Bitcoin's stuck in a range between 40 and 35. I mean, that's really the range we're stuck in. It's the same thing in the daily, right? Until we break this downtrend in the daily, right? We'd have to just reconsider that we are in a downtrend, right? Until we break the downtrend. Right now, Bitcoin's in a downtrend. It's as simple as that. If Bitcoin can break back above here, awesome. We're good to go. We probably can have maybe a little bit of a rally there, right? But until then, we're stuck between a rock and a hard place, and that's just the name of the game. That's just the name of the game. Dale said just trolling. Everyone's mad. All right, Bitcoin might be breaking down right now, guys. Though, like if we're gonna look at the hourly, maybe we're breaking down right now. Let's see. Let's see. I know you're just trolling, Dale. Drew trades. I know Drew trades. Drew is a trader. He's a trader. Drew is the next crypto face. I'm just messing with you, Drew. Drew is the next crypto face. 100%. But yeah, man. We chillin'. She's gonna dump. You don't look at the 23-hour chart? No 23-hour chart. Actually, I think, wasn't someone talking about that today? I think he was talking about that today. The best channel in the interwebs. Guys, today, Bitcoin got another green dot. And we're about to get another green dot on Market Cipher, guys. TJ, what does VWAP stand for? What does VWAP stand for? Oh, VWAP. Oh, okay. VWAP stands for volume weighted adjusted price. Is that what it stands for, TJ? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, yeah, I mean, VWAP, guys. I don't even know what it stands for, and I'm giving advice about it. But the VWAP looks like it's about to flip bullish, and that actually prints a green dot most of the time. So that could be the level that we watch out for, right? When the VWAP starts to flip bullish, whatever the VWAP means. If it flips bullish, that's when we could be putting in long positions, and that's when we could be buying in, guys. That's what I'm watching for. The 23-hour chart about to flip green. We're also about to get the 12-hour. The 11 hour and 30-minute chart also about to print a green dot on Market Cipher as well. So this is looking extremely bullish at the moment. Like I said, guys, I am 50% bullish right now, 50% bearish. But if we get that green dot on the 11 hour and 30-minute chart, I'm going to go balls to the wall and go all in with all my stables, guys. That's what I'm watching for right now. All right, guys. Bitboy out. Green dot on the 25 hour chart. That was funny today. Bitboy's funny, guys. I think Bitboy's funny, guys. Some people don't think he's funny. I think he is. Okay? I mean, listen. It was funny when he was like, what does the VWAP stand for? Like, he's telling everyone, oh, the VWAP's about to flip bullish. DJ, what does it stand for, man? Oh, man. David said, Jump is pumping. You're welcome. Now, go get wrecked. Thanks, Dave. Dave told me to get wrecked. What is it? Jump? J-U-P. Jupiter. What's going down? Ho! Holy Dito! Holy Dito!
JUP is camping. You're welcome. Now go get wrecked.
I don't know what this is. The WTF. That's a pretty nice pump, man. 100% pump. Nice. I don't know what's going down with this, but nice, dude. I don't know. Couldn't tell you why this pumped. Yeah, couldn't tell you why this pumped. It just decided to. I don't know if this probably got some news or something. I mean, it was a 786 retracement, but why did it just moon like that, right? Got to be some type of news or something, man. Why that pumped like that? That's crazy. That's a crazy move, man. 92%. That's nuts. Now you're looking to just break the swing highs, and could be looking even more juicy there. You break the swing highs, man. I mean, I would praise logistically right there at 2.7. Where are you going, right? Not sure how many people are invested in Jupiter, but not looking too shabby. Great find. That's got to feel good. It's got to feel good. I mean, listen, we'll take anything at that point. The shirt dance. The shirt dance. Great job. You doubled your 22 bucks. I don't want to get wrecked, but I don't want to get wrecked, said Layer 2. Alexander said Jordan is 27. I think you're a little late, man. We got Alexander coming in the chat. Hold on. Alexander just came in the chat, and he said, I think Jordan's 27. That was like an hour ago, bro. Oh, man. I love that stuff. Jordan's 27. Anyone else? Is anyone else going to guess? Am I the only one who's going to guess? Jordan just said guess. Jordan just said guess my age. That was like an hour ago, man. Probably even longer than that. Dude. That's too funny. Kick the bulls in the nuts. There you go. That conversation happened 2 days ago. That was so long ago, man. He's on Central Time. All right, listen. Do you guys want me to get off? Let me know in the chat. Do you guys want me to get off? Let me know. Because Bitcoin's chilling right now. You guys know how it works. I get off, Bitcoin usually moves in one way or the other. Let me know in the chat. All right, let's do a poll. Should J-Man get off? Should J-Man get off? Yes or no? There we go. Let's see. Must be hot in there. No slippers? Yeah, my slipper. You guys want to see my Ugg slippers, don't you? You want to see my Ugg slippers? Crunk said yes. Look at this thing, man. Come on. If you guys don't wear these, you need to get these Ugg slippers right now. I'm telling you, dude. You put your foot in this. I need to get new ones. These ones are, I've had these for a while. You put your foot in this Ugg, and you might be saying, Jordan, Ugg slipper? No, I'm telling you, bro. They're stylish. They're great. You put your foot in this Ugg. You will feel like you are walking on clouds. You will feel like you're Jesus on earth. Okay? You will feel like, I'm telling you right now, you will never want another slipper again. Okay? You will never want another slipper again. These things, like, look at this. Look at this. You can just feel it through the screen. Okay? This is great. It's great. I love those things, dude. Who dat J-Man? Do we have a J? What are those? Come on, dude. Keep that to yourself. No. I'm proud of my Ugg slippers, guys. Okay? I'm proud of my Ugg slippers. They are great. Okay? I don't care about. Listen, guys. If you wear slippers, they're not about how they look. They're about how they feel. Okay? That's why I also hate on Crocs, because not only are Crocs ugly, but Crocs also are bad for your body. Okay? These slippers are unbelievable. Okay? I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I'm just letting you know. You guys should get the Ugg slippers. Maybe I should be sponsored by the Ugg slippers. Maybe I should. Quit shilling shoes. Oh man, everyone shills. I thought deer topic was weird. It was a little weird. What's your robe? Where's my robe? Where's my robe? I haven't worn my robe in a long time. I need to find my robe because I need to bring it to my destination. I need to find my robe, man. It's somewhere in my closet. I gotta dig deep into my closet to find my robe because I need to bring that with me. Because I do like robes. Robes are super comfy. You guys bullish or bearish on robes? Bullish or bearish on robes? Robes are super comfy. I just haven't worn mine in a while. There was a time where I wore a robe for like a year. It was great. Ranjot. Ranjot said, Jordan, would you short... Why is that funny? Come on, Jordan. Come on, Jordan. Don't laugh. Ranjot said, Jordan, would you short or long if you were to enter a trade? Listen, man. I mean, technically you're on support right now. I never recommend shorting support. But also, I mean, Bitcoin's on the 4-hour, Bitcoin's at heavy resistance, right? So I do think Bitcoin probably gets rejected here, right? Just look how many tries this is tried, ran. I mean, at some point it's got to break, but is this the time? I mean, I would say no. I do think Bitcoin can come down here one more time and then come back up. Hopefully. I mean, we don't. Does anyone really know? Does anyone really know? I don't think so. I don't think so. You left it in your bag. Bullish on robes. Bullish? Bearish? I have Ugg slippers. Oh, I'm 100% bringing my robe. 100% bringing my robe. It is going to be worn every day. Should J-Man get off? 68% no. Wow, I'm shocked. Usually, I've actually done that one time, and you guys were like, no, you should get off, Jordan. We want price action. I guess I guess we got a good crowd in here. We got a good crowd in here today. There can't be that many people left in here right now. There can't be. Wow, I'm shocked. I'm generally shocked. In what situation do you wear a robe? Dude, you wear a robe. You wear a robe after you get out of the shower. Okay, I'm going to wear my robe and my Uggs. Robe Uggs. They're great. Robe Uggs. 93K. Who is J-Man? He said, who is J-Man? J-Man's me. I'm J-Man. I am Giordano. I'm Jay. I'm a lot of things. I'm Georgior. Georgior. Man. What else are you guys saying here? You need to get a silk robe with a dragon on the back. Ladies love it. That's so random, man. That's so random. Let me see if I can find a robe real quick. Hold on. You sound like 70? What is this? What the heck is this? This is not a robe. Oh, man. Yeah. That's not the type of robe I'm looking for. Nope, there's no robes. I'm bearish on robes on this. Bearish on robes. You have best viewer retention on crypto YouTube? I actually probably do. You'd be surprised. No, I probably do. I don't know if anyone can talk as long as me. I could stay on here. You guys know I did a 12-hour stream once, so we talked the whole time. I can talk about anything. I can always figure out something to talk about. Whether it's, I mean, it's a little bit easier when the stuff is going down on the charts. There's nothing going down right now. That makes it a little bit harder. But I can always talk about something, man. Most likely. Jordan, can you check the 10-year bonds? The 10-year bonds, sure. At this point, sure, man. We definitely can. 10-year bonds. I don't know. Why are we looking at the 10-year bonds? Assume it's this one. All right. 10-year bonds. I know Bitcoin, was it the 10-year bonds or the 20-year bonds? I know at one point Bitcoin was sort of following the 10-year bonds, but or not the 10-year. Was it the 20-year bonds? Hold on. I know you wanted the 10-year. 20-year? No. It was something. Bitcoin was like generally following the it might have been the 10-year. It was either the 10 or 20. Maybe I'm wrong about that, but it was generally following it. This is at all-time highs, while Bitcoin, yeah, it was this. Well, Bitcoin's been dumping, which is interesting. But yeah, I mean, listen, I don't know what you want to know, but I don't know who's interested in this. But, I mean, you're coming back down to test the previous high. Yeah, it's basically what you want to hold. Listen, I don't think anyone else is interested in this. I think everyone else is like, everyone else is looking at this in the chat, being like, why are we looking at this? This is a crypto stream. First we talk about deer, then we talk about Uggs, then we talk about bathrobes. Now we're talking about 10-year bonds. What is this? I'm unsubscribing. I'm unsubscribing. This guy sucks. This guy freaking sucks. I want him to talk about the 5-minute chart on Bitcoin. He's ridiculous. There's definitely people talking like that right now. Definitely people. But yeah, man, listen, I mean, you want to hold the previous high, you bounce off this, boom, you continue back up. But right now, I mean, right now, it's you're just consolidating above the highs, to be honest. Don't forget slippers. Yep, slippers too. Don't forget about the meatloaf. Talk about Shib. Shib. Man, you guys know I'm a shibber. I am a shibber. I'm a shibberini now. No, but Shib's just chilling at its lows. You know what I mean? Like Shib is literally chilling at its lows. I mean, At least what I'll say is, you know, the Shib that I did get, at least I bought it at a pretty good levels. You know, I will say that. You're below the 786. You're below the 786. But yeah, I mean that's definitely something that we have to watch there, because there's not really any support here on Shibanichi. But Tuckett said, what happened to giveaways contest? Pawtucket, that's a good point. We may be bringing back the March, the Crypto Madness tournaments. Just stand by, man. Stand by. I'm working on a... How should I say this? I'm working on a big... I'll call it a big package. And I'm not going to release it one by one. I want to do it all at once. Okay? But I am working on something. Trust me. I got my notebook right here. Okay? Trust me. We might be bringing back the Crypto Madness. You guys remember the Crypto Madness tournaments back in the day? Those might be coming back. That's definitely something that might be on the cards. Did you ever find Java? I did find Java. He's right here. You want to say hi? Oh. Crypto Madness? Yeah, I love that. Jordan, can you put Bitcoin short on there? That's definitely going to win. Jordan, please. I want to do that. I want to do Crypto Madness. Please, bring it back. Bring it back. No, but, you know, we might bring it back. What does the MAC stand for? MAC? Oh, MAC. MAC. It's Mac Jones. He's the new quarterback of the Patriots. Come on now. Come on now. I know you're from New York, but you should know that. You should know that. Who doesn't know Mac Daddy? The Mac attack. You guys say there, is the Jordan big package? Yeah, the big package, man. The big package. You're doing a Shib giveaway? Giving away all my Shib. All my Shib. I love to say this word. I'm not saying that. Big Papa Bear. I already know if I say that it's not gonna end up well, Big Papa. I'm not saying that. I know if I say it, it's gonna be something inappropriate. Just the way that I say it. Let me try to say it myself. No. I am not saying that, Big Papa Bear. You can say that yourself. I'm not doing that. The Jordan big package Enu. The big package. That's going to be a meme now, the big package. All right, guys, listen. Bitcoin's just consolidating. As soon as I press that end live button, Bitcoin is going to break out one way or the other. We know how this works. I'm going to literally press it, and then it instantly is going to dump, or it's instantly going to pump. We know how this works. So I will catch you guys in the next one. I may be going live tomorrow. I may not. In the morning. In the morning. I'll be live at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll be live at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so make sure you guys are there. I may be going live in the morning. I'll let you know. I will let you know on all the social media apps. But anyways, guys, hit the like button before you go. Subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right. Scott wants UFO. Let me do UFO for Scott, and then I'll dip out here. Let me do UFO. You know, we were talking about aliens, so it's kind of fitting today. UFO gaming. What are we looking at for UFO gaming? I will say that, UFO looks pretty good, man. Oh, yeah. That looks juicy, bro. That looks juicy. All right. right, moving up. No, but 236. Coming to 236. Still has room to run up, but I mean, that's a nice breakout there in the daily. Nice breakout there in the daily. But other than that, man, I mean, listen, this thing's looking pretty juicy. Let me go to the 4 hour real quick. 4 hours showing a little bearish div. 1 hour showing a little bearish divergence as well. You might get a quick pullback. I wouldn't be surprised if you pulled back and tested the bottom here and then moved back up. All right. Won't be surprised if you did something like that with the bearish divergence in the short-term time frames. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right. Take care. Stay positive. Stay positive. Positive vibes. Win, win, win. All right. Later.